Dear friends, for those who do not know me, I am Christodoulos Ioannou, and I have the honor to be nominated for the position of Vice President of YEP by my organization, NEDISI. I have been participating in local, national, and European politics for the last 8 years. Something that has made me realize that through YEP, everyone, regardless of his or her country of origin, has the opportunity to take part in shaping our common European future. It's not an easy task, especially nowadays, when the young generation is getting increasingly suspicious and unwilling to be politically involved. All of us, as young people, struggle back home to improve our societies and our own political parties through debating, active participation, and responsible political activism. And if we do that back home, we should also do this here, in our YEP family. We strongly believe that, when it comes to ideas and political activity, not only the size of a country matters. I come from a small organization, NEDISI, but in my organization, we have learned that what matters the most is responsibility, ideas, active participation, and commitment. We always try hard to show our commitment towards our YEP family. And we have tried even harder during the last 2 years with the organization of several events. We will continue to do so in the future. But if you see my candidature and the input of my organization positively, then I ask for your support. You will be sending a strong message to all of us that elections in YEP are so much more than only agreements and number of votes. As the youth of the largest and most influential political group within the European Parliament, we have an obligation to rise to the challenges with determination. We are all partners in improving European politics, something which has allowed us to become friends in this common cause. Our strength lies in our diversity, in our commitment, and in our collective power. This is what has driven me to pursue the position of Vice President, as I feel ready to commit all my powers and time in this role. Thank you very much.